All right, today we're gonna be making a Butterscotch Lifesaver. This is actually a shot, so we're gonna put it in our shaker tin. We're gonna do 1 ounce of butterscotch. This is actually a really great drink if you like those little Mrs. Bosworth type of candies. If your grandma has any of these actually in her purse, these are really great drinks. Got 1 ounce of Malibu. Then we have 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Here's a good shake. And we're just pouring this into a little rocks glass. It's not gonna fit in a shot glass, that's why we're doing a rocks glass. Pour it in here. We don't need ice because it's just a nice little shot. So we got ourselves a Butterscotch Lifesaver. Enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Las Vegas Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.